Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. As you can see from my title, it is the long awaited wig installation video. Earlier we're gonna struggle together because I never installed a wig like this before. Because never made a wig before, but not meaning to toot my own horn, but toot. I think it come around nice. So let me show you all the cap construction and then we'll get into putting on this wig. Gonna help me. I'm gonna do it glueless, so I'm not gluing it down. When I tried it on, it fits snug on my head. So I don't think I'll be using it got to be glue or anything like that. So yeah, so this is it here. You all would have seen her, you know. Right, beautiful. Let me take her off. Okay, and this is the inside of it. So there's the closure. There's the inside. I put two clips to the back in order for it to clip on to the back of my hair for it to stay from sliding. So yeah, I think for our first time, you know, cap construction looking all nice and neat and things, you know. And well, there's the lace here to cut off, so let me do that. The lace has been cut off. That don't look too bad at all. It don't look too bad earlier. It's just no things and thing. Anyways, so I came with my hair. So I am going to put on a wig cap. I have this light one and the deep brown, but my scalp not deep brown. So I mean it ain't this either, but I think this might be close-ish, if that makes sense. Let's see. Oh, it's two! Oh, man! You getting two in a pack? I didn't even know that though. Oh, sharks, look, big two pieces. Real cakes. Alright, so put this. So you kind of think that it's do like this, and then there's like spray down here, and then there's cut it off. I think, anyways, that's not what we're doing this time around. Maybe my next wig, I'll do a lace front as my next one. That's when we'll do that. So, make sure my hair is covered. Oh, this thing's snug, boy. Jesus Christ. Which app? But wait, it can't be by your ears, girl. Hold on. Is that behind it? The back of my head cover, right? Yes. Alright, good. So now, the moment of truth. Well, the cakes would be at the shit to the cakes. That'd be odd. Snap these two things here. Okay. How do you see it? I think I'm flipping it on from the back, so that's what I'll do too. I look like it. Oh God, right. My nose is. Okay, that's my nose. Good. I think it's too far forward. Look at all this stress. Because where my natural baby hairs is in the back there. So take this and be like about this one. And just about. Oh my God. Okay, nice and enough. Snug. So that's good. They didn't middle of my head, right? Yeah. Okay. It's different. It's different. I we call it That's gonna take me some getting used to. Let me do these quote unquote baby hairs or whatever. You see? Okay. This is gonna take some getting used to, but it is snug on my head, which is awesome. So I don't think going anywhere. Which is like good. The good thing is that it's laying hella flat, so the on and properly flat. But let me see how long it is. Okay, so this is where 16 inches reaches me, and I am 5'5". Well, 5'4.5", but I don't know if I go that half inch already. This will take some getting used to, cause I've never seen my hair like. I mean, I've had straight hair before, but I don't know, boy. Ooh, was it the color? I have no idea.
It look good. It look decent. It
Is
look
that
good.
good?
How you rate it?
I don't know, like, you know, allow me to see myself with straight hair.
It looks good, babe.
Thank you.
If I look at it, do good work.
Thanks. So, the heady husband. Have you approved? But yeah, let me see if I can deal with these baby hairs. Even though I don't even think I need baby hairs, no, to be honest. At my wig slide back. I wig. All I wig. My wig slide back. Not my wig cap slide back. But the thing is, do I really need that wig cap? Like, I don't think so, you know. I could just put something because it kind of blends well, at least from here, with my skin. So I will just put like some concealer. I ain't gonna wear a wig cap. But I think wig cap is like protect your hair. Well, this it actually look rugged. It'll take me some getting used to. You know? So this is it on. Let me start to turn around. Show you. Pull it back. This is it from the back. I don't know if you want to see that, but yeah, so this is it. Let me go and dolls up a little bit. And I'm gonna come back with the final result. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. You know, just put on some a little foundation and some lashes and the little brows and thing. So yeah, this is the finished look. I am not gonna baby hairs at all. Like I try a thing, but I need to go and like study this whole baby hair craft because trust me, it's a craft. So I do a little swoop and I have like 2 swoops underneath here. But yeah, I'm gonna concealer in part and thing. And all I like it. It's really nice, I ain't gonna lie. Hair nice and soft. Yeah. So yes, all this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a long time coming, like Olive. It's been a long time coming, but it's finally here. So this is me, a platinum wig that I made. Yay! The next thing I want to do is curl it, and then like when I wear it up plenty, I want to bleach it to like this type of copper. I'll put a picture of the color I want it to be like when I done bleach it earlier. Sis won't know how to act, okay, when I get that color done, but I love how this looks like now. I'm going through some one curls, maybe like next week or something, so I might do that on camera so you all could see. So basically I kind of like carry all 3 different stages of the hair to show you all, you know, is it worth the coin? As of right now, yes, it is. So the next thing I will see is me one curling it. That'll be sometime next week, and then me bleaching it, which will be like about a month. I'll come and do like a month update of the wig, and then I'll do like the bleaching so you can get to that hot girl color. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.